Keepsake memory box tutorial. It's really easy, really simple, and really quick. All you need is a box, some fabric. I'm gonna use a staple instead of a glue gun, so a stapler and some scissors. It's really, really easy. I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it. Okay, I got the box top done. This is how it looks. I think I did good. By the way, this is my first time doing this. I'm just doing something because I wanted her to have a keepsake memory box. So I was gonna buy one, but all the ones that I like was expensive. So I'm like, I'm gonna just try to make one, you know. So I used everything I already had. So hey. So hey y'all, the box, bruh, stop. Don't do that. Okay, she woke me out, so y'all, it's yeah. So the box didn't come out like I wanted it to come out, but it's okay. It looks good. So I'm satisfied with it. It looks good. I just gotta cut the excess fabric off around the perimeter of it, and yeah, came out good, y'all. Yes, forever. Came out really, really good. It's not perfect, but it is what it came out. I like it. I'm gonna just put a few of her newborn stuff in there, some stuff she had when she was first born and stuff. So yeah, it's not perfect, but you know, it's DIY. You know, this is my first time doing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some stuff in there, and then I'll show y'all how I look with the stuff in there. Y'all, this is how I look. I just got 2 of her sleepers in there when she was first born, her teething ring, everything that was on her when she came out the hospital, like her wristbands and stuff, a pair of shoes she first got in, some ultrasound. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. I actually love the box. I think it came out good. It's not perfect, but DIY is not supposed to be perfect, right? Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I'm excited that I made that box for her. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. I'm super excited, y'all, that I did that. Like, I feel good that I was able to create a memory box on my own, you know, instead of buying an expensive one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.